Hello friends, welcome to my channel Dipanita's Creativity. In this video I am going to show you used tea leaf fertilizer. We drink tea and discard the used tea leaves into the dustbin, but it is very good for our plants. If you make tea with milk and sugar, you have to wash the tea leaves 2 to 3 times by plain water. Then spread it on a dish and dry it in sunlight. After drying, you have to take 2 to 3 handfuls of dried tea leaves in a container and add plain water. Then cover it with lid and shake well. Then leave it for 3 days in shade. Then sieve it. Tea leaves fertilizer is ready. You can directly use it in the soil, or you can dilute it by mixing 4 times plain water and then use it. This fertilizer has nitrogen, potassium, micronutrients and tannic acid. For this fertilizer, leaves turn green. Tannic acid helps to maintain the soil pH and makes the soil acidic. So this fertilizer is very much useful for rose plants.